Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're witnessing another significant milestone for the ANKA III, Turkey's cutting-edge flying wing unmanned combat aerial vehicle. In a recent test flight, the ANKA III successfully employed the Aselsan LGK-82 laser guidance kit, demonstrating its precision strike capabilities. The LGK-82 is a laser guidance kit that transforms standard Mk-82 bombs into precision-guided munitions. This capability significantly enhances the ANKA III's ability to engage targets with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing collateral damage. The successful test flight showcased the seamless integration of the LGK-82 with the ANKA III's advanced avionics and targeting systems. This demonstrates the ANKA III's ability to deliver precision strikes in challenging operational environments. The use of the LGK-82 highlights the ANKA III's versatility and its ability to carry a wide range of munitions. Its flying wing design, combined with its advanced targeting capabilities, makes it a formidable asset for modern warfare. This successful test flight underscores the growing strength of Turkey's defense industry and the close collaboration between Turkish aerospace industries, TAI, and Aselsan. The ANKA III, with its precision strike capabilities, is poised to play a crucial role in safeguarding national security. What are your thoughts on this successful test flight of the ANKA III with the LGK-82? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest advancements in Turkish defense technology. See you in the next one.